Well, with that, there is more breaking news which is coming in right here. An update on the UGC net leak. Well, getting in more details regarding the net. Now, remember, this is not the NEET. This is the net paper leak that we are talking about. Well, sources have been telling Times Now that CBI is actively looking into the source of the UGC net, NET, paper leak. In fact, the initial investigation has revealed that the question papers were leaked on Monday and then later put on sale, encrypted social media platforms. Now, the sources also tell us that to prevent the tracking of the origins or the source of a leak, the suspects had actually put the question papers on the darknet. Well, CBI will now be seeking more information from the NTA as well as other agencies. Let me go across to Bhavtosh. Bhavtosh, this is very interesting. Crime seems to be evolving as well with the evolving of technology. Now you have darknet. That is where all these question papers were being sold, and that's how all of this had reached such a stage where, unfortunately, the net exam is now being scrapped and is going to be announced again. But you must explain to us, what was the modus operandi and how difficult is it going to be for the sleuths to pinpoint the spot of origin of the leak?
Well, Meghna, there were many candidates, or those who had taken the NET exam, who had complained and also put out social media posts claiming that the papers that they had taken were in fact leaked, and they also had complained to the government that these papers were readily available on Telegram, and they had said that anywhere between 2 lakh to 5 lakh rupees were being charged. What happened in this case was that I4C had given a report to the government at 3 p.m. and this was in fact also said by Dharmendra Pradhan that these question papers were readily available on darknet. Now the suspect had thought that by doing so their trail or the source of origin would not be revealed, but I4C, because their question papers were readily available on Telegram and other social encrypted social media platform, they thought their source of origin would not be leaked, but I4C had tracked that, and it would be just matter of few days before CBI in fact makes some big arrest in this case. What this case has revealed that at least at 2 or 3 levels this paper were leaked. At some examination center, we can tell our viewers that this question paper was leaked. When these question papers were being in fact transported from NTA to examination center, at one particular location this question paper was leaked, and this has happened previously also, that when papers are being transported from NTA to examination center, papers do get leaked. Now that is something is a source of concern for the government and also for various agencies which are involved in such exercise, that generally these papers are leaked, and this should need to be plugged. And also at sometimes even it happens at other locations. Now the government has said that if required, then overhauling of NTA will be required, and because this paper was readily available on NTA on darknet and also on Telegram, the government decided to in fact scrap the entire examination. It's a big setback for 9 lakh odd students and candidates who had taken this examination. CBI yesterday had filed an FIR under sections of IPC as well as that of cheating. The probe has started. What CBI sources have said is that they will be recording statements of NTA officials who were in fact involved in this entire examination exercise, and importantly also some officials of the examination center, and these things will happen in next few days.
That's very interesting. So you've explained to us the modus operandi, how now technology is increasingly being used to perpetuate these crimes, but also now the lens is going to be on those within the system who may have compromised the test. Thank you so much, Bhavtosh, for getting us all those details. Meanwhile, Union Minister of Education Dharmendra Pradhan has spoken to the Group Editor-in-Chief Navika Kumar right after this entire controversy was blown up regarding the UGC net leak row. This is what he had to say.
I4C एजेंसी जो विशेष करके साइबर क्राइम को ट्रैकिंग करने के लिए बनी है, उन्होंने 3 बजे एक जानकारी दी कि इस प्रकार की डार्क नेट में क्वेश्चन आ गया है। उस क्वेश्चन को हमने एनटीए की जो ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन था उसके साथ टैली करवाया। जब हम स्पष्ट हो गए कि वो डार्क नेट में जो क्वेश्चन है वो यूजीसी नेट की ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन के साथ मिलता है, हमने तत्क्षणात निर्णय किया कि इस परीक्षा कंप्रोमाइज हुई है, उसको स्थगित किया जाए।